What is up, everybody? It is the gaming crew here, and we are playing some brawhalla, trying to rank up. I don't normally play this on PC. I normally play this on PlayStation, so we're gonna have to get used to it. Ah, okay, J is hit. Ah, can I pick up a fucking weapon, you jerk? Huh. This guy is pretty good at playing PC, apparently. Ah, crap. I'm not good with doing just keyboard games. Bruh. See, I can't fight this guy. I can't fight him. That is a fact. I'm sorry. Nah. I can't fight that guy. That guy was way too good. Especially since I can you... Maybe I shouldn't be playing ranked, actually. Maybe I should just play casual. Because I cannot... Okay, can we go? Oh. Let's go. Okay, we gotta go against Artemis, Nye, and other ugly rock dude. That shouldn't be hard. As long as you've not played a lot of this game. Okay, yeah, I'm probably doomed. Bruh. That is dumb. Can I hit this guy? How? That's dumb. Die, you piece of trash. Ugh. How? That's dumb. Oh my god. Ugh. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Okay, apparently I was bad. Apparently I was wrong. This guy's actually pretty bad. I'm starting to get used to the controls. That's gonna be good. Ah! Damn it. Bad. Oh my god, I'm breaking the laws of physics. Not physics. Probably being stupid. That's probably the law he's breaking. Okay. You don't have to yell it that loud. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm probably gonna die against this dude. And there's no platforms. Yeah, I'm gonna die. Dang it. That's done. Dead. Dead. Ow. Dang it. Can you stop being a wimp and going behind me? Wow. Wimp! Fucking wimp! Oh my god, can I get a hit? What is this guy? This guy's bad, bro. This guy is so bad. That's that guy. He was just going behind me 24/7. 24/7. Yeah, I'm playing as Artemis. Ooh. Let's go. Also, there's a reason you guys can't hear the volume in this video because of the for the recording software I use. I don't have it. I can't figure out how to set it up with sound. Oh my god, is this guy gonna be a freaking spammer? Get out of here. I don't want to be friends. Fight me. Oof. 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 Dang it. Ah! Damn it. I was dumb. Bruh. Are you dumb? This man's dumb. Well, anyways, that is the first test recording. Hope that went well. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video.